Whether addiction is a learned behavior or a disease is debatable, but either way, the results are devastating.
It's an experience that I'll never forget. Seeing my son in the jumpsuit, trying to figure out, where did we go wrong? Where did he go wrong? Where did this whole world go wrong?
When you say addiction, that's a person who drugs or alcohol has totally engulfed their being. So it affects everyone in their life, from parents to children to the court system. It has its hands in everything.
Understanding the complexities of addiction and recovery is a subject that Stout Street Foundation's president and CEO, Christopher Conway, knows very well.
I came to Stout Street in 1998 as a resident. I had an opportunity to get treatment for myself from my drug addiction or go to prison.
That bleak option is one that has finally opened the door to recovery for many suffering from addiction from all walks of life. It's a fact that Terry Smith, Vice President of Development at the Foundation, is very familiar with.
It doesn't matter where you grew up or who you know. It knows no boundaries. I mean, the guy on the corner with the sign, he wasn't born there. He got there somehow.
Although the outcome of untreated addiction remains the same, the types of people affected by addiction is changing.
There's a major influx of 18 to 25-year-old individuals who come from very nice families, very good backgrounds, addicted to heroin.
Like Ryan, who by the age of 19 had been in and out of 3 rehabs.
I knew that I had a problem, but I thought I had it under control.
There were at least 6 or 7 times that I would either get calls from the police or Ryan seeking help.
We usually need something to come and push us in a direction to change.
It was either prison for my child or Stout Street.
So when I first got into Stout Street, I was scheming to find a way out.
The majority of the clients that come to Stout Street Foundation have been in at least 3 programs prior to getting here. We call that treatment-wise. They know the right things to say. They've kind of manipulated their way through other treatment programs. It's not possible here.
How's everybody doing this morning?
That's because their method of peer involvement, counseling, and voluntary long-term commitment provide the time and tools for change.
From the beginning, they walk in day 1 and we establish treatment plans and service plans, and we change them every 90 days to find a way to get through to them, because they all are different.
I personally believe that addiction is a disease. However, I also believe that Stout Street has taught my son and given him the tools to manage that disease.
We're making changes from where we were of no problem, no nothing, nothing's going on in our life, don't care to change, to so much has happened. We got wet so much that we want to start taking action.
The biggest thing about Stout Street is that you have to find yourself, and you're the only one that can do it, and they give you the opportunity.
In addition to all the counseling, Stout Street also provides opportunities to build job skills.
He learned a great deal from that on what hard work is, and eventually he worked as the assistant to the CEO.
Those skills proved to be very valuable as Ryan moved out of Stout Street, got a job, is living on his own, and is reuniting with his family.
Because of Stout Street, I got my son back.
The most beneficial thing that I learned at Stout Street was self-worth, to accept myself for who I am and be willing to take help from people.
Recovery. It's a word to celebrate, but the stigma of addiction keeps many in recovery silent.
The media or people in general, they never talk about the success stories with people of, 16, 20 years clean from drugs. They focus on the heroin addict that just overdosed and died. I think the biggest misconception about addiction or addicts as a whole is that there's no hope for them.
Once an addict, always an addict, which is true. But can't we be an addict in recovery? I like that word better. Hi, my name's Terry, I'm in recovery. That's so much nicer. Recovery is not an event. Recovery is a journey. It's a lifelong process.
We are strong,
beautiful, alive.